I want to show you how to remove a hose. I need to replace this hose without taking the fitting off, because most of the time those fittings not gonna come off. When you're gonna try to take it off, it's gonna break the radiators. So you don't have to take the fitting off. You can just take the hose, replace the hose. I have this tools which we're gonna use special for this. And how we take the clamp off, go like this, push it and flip it one way, and that's how it comes off. And this things comes off, and after that we just pull the hose off, up, and that's it. To install it back, we're just gonna use a little bit of some lubrication and a little bit here on the end. We put those two, make sure don't forget, we put those two connectors, slide them, and put the hose back. Put the holder, tweak it a little bit, and slide those two connectors back. Yeah, and to push them, you just go boom, and make sure they're straight. And the second one. That's it. That's how you take the hose off and put it back. Thanks for watching. See you again.